Arwin Santos and the Air 21 Express will oust Ginebra.
And actually, most of the Ginebra players are already out of the basketball court.
Wow.
That's not gonna count though.
But just the same.
Pasok naman yan sa ating countdown.
Ay, ang masakit nito,
Mga astig plays.
hindi nakaka-counted. Turnover pa.
That has been the conference so far para sa Barangay Ginebra.
That hurts.
Raimundo, a three, nothing. James Yap with the top. He gets it. There's another three. James Yap converts from the left corner.
It will count. I did not see the board light up. I don't know about that.
What a throw. What a stroke. Bad back and miss. Quick to recognize. Excellent tap. And then the turnaround is converted. Isn't that? Look at this. Look at how tight he has to maneuver. There you go. It drops. Wow. King James in overtime here at the Araneta Coliseum.
We're definitely ready to play.
Fausting it. Yes. Number from midcourt. It's a goal! Again! A spectacular way to end the quarter. Let's take another look, Dr. Day. They let him hit the shot from midcourt. That's a million peso shot. But I'm not about to argue with you.
Ngayon, happy birthday ma'am. Kagyagit ya. Tira sa Bacolod. Subong Kagiwa. Hindi pa pala tapos si Mark.
Akala ko 4-point play eh. Pero ganun kainit si Mark Kagiwa. 19 points so far. That's actually the first. Unang beses ako nakakita ng ganun.
19 points na by Mark Kagiwa. Ayun, no?
Follow up eh.
Pwede ba yun?
Jimmy Alaba goes for no! He back-rimmed the shot. Nandiyan pa si Willie Melo. Oh! Wait a minute! Wait a minute!
They're gonna have to view this, Benji.
Wow! Medyo suspense pa ang naging resulta nito, mga kaibigan.
Found ni Chris King. Uy, nagawa ni Bong Alvarez. Laban kay Garrett. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. The acrobatic shot from Mr. Excitement. Humiga sa ere.